just cutting out the first batch of names because I couldn't fit it on my mat. So I'm cutting out the first list of names, which I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 names. And I believe I'm making 24 or 25 cups. So that's the first part. And this is the vinyl that I'm using that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. It's the matless permanent vinyl. I know it says matless, but I'm using the matte anyways. In the matte finish, so I got the black color, which I'm going to do their names in, and bats, like Halloween bats. And then I got this orange vinyl, once again, matless, permanent vinyl, which I love the price. $4.49 and $4.99, you can't beat that. Like if you were buying the Cricut brand, you'd be spending at least over $10, if not close to $15, $20. So then I got this orange color because I'm going to do some pumpkins. And then I got these cups right here. These are just plastic cups. Comes with a lid, comes with a straw, and these are $4.99, and it comes with 4 cups. So I had to get 6 packages of these. As you guys can see, I got a lot of cups. Which, just for an example, mine, some of the vinyl's coming up because I've just let it like soak in water sometimes, which you're not supposed to do. But this was a cup that I made for myself. It says Italian Diva 13, and it has the white bats and has flowers, and I put some skulls in. But see, since I let it kind of sit in water, see how those green stars are on top of the flower? They're not supposed to be there, so they've kind of just slipped around. But these are what the cups look like. But I do have, actually, this is like my vinyl draw. So I got like keychains made, Bad Bitch Energy, Passenger Princess. I got a bunch of like angel numbers, zodiac signs. You know, this is just like my draw. But this is just for an example because I did have some left over that I'm not using these. I wanted brand new ones. But this is what the cups look like, and they do come with lids. Of course, it will be a clear lid, but it comes with the lids and comes with the straw. So I got that. So yeah, this is just everything. And right now I'm in my kitchen, so if you guys have seen in my past videos so far, because I don't have a craft room right now, trying to figure that all out, beauty room, craft room, everything like that. So I got like all my stickers to pack orders. I was working on a pair of like bling sunglasses right here. You guys can see I got some UV resin, my other type of keychains that I've made, just a bunch of crafts. So, okay. So this one is done so far. Let's see if we can see some of the names. You guys see the names on here? So I'm going to weed this. Hopefully it's not too big now that I'm looking at it. Christopher looks like that's going to be too big. Alright, I'm just going to weed this. And I actually bought this tool from the Dollar Tree. So you don't even need to buy a Cricut brand. So yeah. I also had to take my fake nail off because I thought I was getting like an infection because this was getting really swollen, but doing better. Alright, I'm going to do the other set of names because I might have to recut out like Christopher, and Jonathan, because those ones might be too long. So we'll see. So I've already started to put the names on the cups, and what I like to use instead of transfer tape is a lint roller. So I take my piece of lint rolling paper and I will put it on top of the name, and then I transfer it onto the cup like that. The only reason why I'm not filming this part is it's been pretty time consuming transferring the vinyl onto the lint roller. Because this was matless permanent vinyl, this material is a lot thicker, so my normal vinyl just transfers easily. This one I have to kind of peel, but so far this is what it's looking like. Once I get all the names on the cups, I'm going to start cutting out the bats and cutting out the pumpkins, and I'll add those, and I'll show you the finished product once I'm done. Now I'm just cutting out the pumpkins. Right there. And I already cut out the bats. Now time to weed. Got all the names on the cups. It's Monday morning and Isaiah is going to bring his cups into his classroom. They are all finished with little bats, pumpkins and stars with each kid's name on it and one for the teacher. And they are filled with some candy on the inside. So Isaiah's going to carry this in today, and this was my little Halloween gifts for each kid in the classroom. I hope they love it because I love the way that these turned out. They are so cute. They are so personal to each child, and I love the fact that there is one for his teacher as well, because I don't feel like she's going to be expecting that, because I was asking just for the kids' names. So it's going to be really cool when she does pass these out, or helps Isaiah to pass them out. But there was one in there for her too. In my video, I didn't show the stars or anything, but I feel like the stars just kind of completed off the cups. I feel like it just gave that little extra something. So I just wanted to show you guys, this is the finished cups. I can't wait for him to bring them in. He has a nice big bag to bring them in. So thank you all so much for watching. This is a great idea if you're looking for gifts to bring in for Halloween, Christmas, whatever holiday. But alright, you guys, bye!